Hi, welcome to Chorus TLC. Today I'll be showing another wonderful platform you can make together to actually make good income for yourself. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named People Per Hour. PeoplePerHour.com. PeoplePerHour.com. What is PeoplePerHour.com? This is a top freelancing platform which connects both what service offers and service needers together. So, if you are good at providing videographic service, you can come to this platform to apply. If you are good at photographing activities, you can come to this platform to apply. If you are good at digital marketing, you can come to this platform to apply. If you are good at search engine optimization, you can come to this platform to apply, and many more. And many can say make bright ideas happen. Access global talent on the freelancer website trusted by over 1 million business worldwide. So this is how the platform looks like. I'll be scrolling down, scroll up back. So I want you to now click on all categories. All categories. We have different categories here. We have technology and programming category, writing and translation category, design category, digital marketing category, video, photo and image category, business category, marketing, branding and sales category, music and audio category, social media category. So I want you to click on the writing and translation category. So we'll be clicking on this translation category especially. So we have different people providing translation service inside this platform. You can see translate the document from English to French. This person will translate document from English to French for you for $30. This person says she will translate 500 words from English to native Spanish for $10. This person says she will translate from English to German, $185. This person says translate 500 words into grammatically correct English, $25. Translate text of 5,000 words, $165. Translate English to Russia or vice versa, 1,000 words for $10. Translate anything from English to Polish up to 300 words for $15. This person says translate any text between English and Arabic, 500 words, $15. 500 words from English to India for $10. So what these people do for their set, that's what will also be what emulating. That's what we'll be copying. So I want you to click on this first one. Let's see if I am a full information. You can see delivery in 1 day. Rating, this person has 96% rating and she already has 18 sales. 18 sales, $30 within a few hours. You can see delivery in 1 day, 96% rating, 17 reviews. What you will get with this offer, my name is Lilia. I am a professional French translator and native speaker. I am specialized in technical translations and can translate any kind of document: general, mechanical, automotive, chemical, medical, IT, literature, Amazon listing, software and game interface, and many more. So what are the best translation? So what she done for herself, that's what we also do. We just need what? We just copy this same information what and rephrase it and model this perfectly. So that's what we'll be doing. So if you are not thinking, okay, once I've created my own profile here, but I'm not a native of what? French, or a native of Spanish, or a native of Polish. So how can I translate words from English to other language since I'm not a native of those countries? Don't worry, I'm going to guide you regarding what you're going to do. So once you have successfully created your account here on People Per Hour, so I want you to go to a platform named Google Translate, Google Translation, or Google Translate. So I'm currently inside Google Translate. So let's assume client gave me a job. I should help him translate a word from what? English to Polish. So I'll be pasting the words here. Okay. Let's assume this is the client job given. So how can now help him translate this job to Polish? How can I? So you can see I've already pasted the client job inside this too. So I'll be changing it from the language it's presently detected to what? Polish language. So you can see this English opposite English detected. Just click on it. It's going to pop up numerous options for you. You can see there is Arabic, there is Dutch, there is Yoruba, there is African, Albanian, Amharic, Arabic, Armenian, Azerbaijan, and many more. So our main job is to help the client translate his or her job what to Polish. So I'll be scrolling down to see if there is Polish language here. You can see Polish. I'll click on it. You can see it has been successfully translated to Polish. So once I'm done translating the job, I can then copy it back and send it back to the client. Once I send it back to the client, so they are going to pay you for the service you offer. You can see for the service you offer. So I'll be going back to the first site. Just need to what? Register here and create the seller account. Once you create it, you can start making money for yourself. Just join this platform and start selling your service. That's just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some videos like this. Thanks.